Welcome back to class 5th. As in previous video we finished part 1 exercise first A question number 1 to 8, but in this video we are going to start question number 9 as you can see on the screen. So let's start question number 9. Here you can see first part, it is given 5 multiply 16 is equal to 80. So 80 is a dash of 5 and 16. What will be? 80 will be a multiple of 5 and 16. Why it will be multiple? Answer is because 80 comes in the table of 5 and 16 both. So it is a multiple of 80. Yes, here see B part is given 3 into 5 into 2 is equal to 30. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15 are dashes given. So what will be? These number what will be? These will be factors. So here you write answer factors. Okay. Why it will be factor? Because 30 is divisible. 30 is divisible by 2 also, 3 also, 5 also, 6, 10 and 15. By all these number 30 is divisible. So it is a factor of 30. Clear? Next C part. Yes. Here is given C part. 18 and 4 are factor of 72. So 72 is dash by 18 and 14. What will be? It is clearly written here 18 and 4 are factor, so 72 will be clearly divisible. So here will be answer what? Here write divisible, D-I-V-I-S-I-B-L-E. Clear? Next part is D. Among 22, 36, 45, 338, 4831 and 11,780 dash and dash are odd number. In this question asking odd number. Okay. So let's see. Here is odd number, those are which are not divisible by 2. Okay. Otherwise we can simply check also which having last ending digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even number, and which having not last ending digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, those are odd number. So clearly we can see here only check those number which having not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, otherwise not divisible by 2. Here is first number 22. It is divisible by 2 and last number 2 also. So it is even number. Next 36, last ending digit 6. Here we can see it is even number, not odd number. 45, last ending digit you can see here. Here is given 5. Okay, 5 not given here. So 45 and not divisible by 2 also. So it is a odd number. Next 338. Here last digit is given 8, which is divisible by 2. So it is a even number. Left this 4831, last ending digit 1 and not divisible by 2 also. So it is also odd number. Next and 11,780. Here is last digit is given 0. Clearly we can see, and divide by 2 also. So it is a even number. So how many odd numbers are coming here? Here you can see 45 and 4,831. So first part here answer will be 45 and next is 4,831. Is that clear? Now next question we will see D after E part. E part is given here. Among 18, 29, 85, 563, 900 and 32,324 dash, dash and dash are even number. Here even number asking, it is opposite of just D part. Okay, even number I told you which having last ending digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We can check last ending digit only simply. Okay. Even number those are which are divisible by 2, and simply by checking last ending digit also. So here see, 18, it is divisible by 2 and last ending digit having 8, so it is a even number. Next 29, it is not divisible by 2 and last ending digit having 9. Okay, next 85, it having last ending digit 5 and not divisible by 2, so it is a odd number. 563, it is also odd number because last ending digit 02468 not is and not divisible by 2 also. And 900, last ending digit having 900, here is 0 which is divisible by 2, so it is a even number. Next 32,324, here is last ending digit 4, here we can see, so it is a even number, not odd number. So third number it will be 32,324. So first part answer what will be? First part will be 18, then after 900, and third part answer 32,324. Clear? Now next part F. Here is given a part, here is the second and third multiples of 18 are. Here asking multiple. As we read the counting table, multiplication table. So, suppose we are asking multiplication table 3, then will be 3 1 ja, that will be first multiple, second multiple 3 2 ja, and third multiple 3 3 ja. But here asking multiple of 18 and which one? Second and third. So here 18 and second, 18 2 ja, what will be? 36. 18 2 ja 36, and third multiple 18 3 ja 54. Is that clear? Next part is F after G. Let's see here. Next part is G. As you can see here, the factor of 28 other than 1 and 28 are. Okay, by other number, by other which number 28 is divisible. Okay, yes, where we are going? Here is 28, it is divisible by 1. We know very well every number is divisible by 1 or itself only. Here also asking 1 and 28 means itself, other number what are, by which number it is divisible. So factor of 28 will be 28 divisible by 2 also, 2 by 14. Sorry, 2 by 28, how many times? 14 times. 14 2 ja 28. Similarly 4 by 4 also, 4 7 ja. So here you can see firstly number what will be? 2. 2 by 28 is divisible. 2 after 3, it is not divisible. By 4, 4 7 ja. Yes, next will be 4, and 4 after 5, 5 will be not, because 28 not divisible by 5 also, and not 6 also. 6 after 7, 7 by it is divisible. 7 4 ja 28. So here will be next number what? 7. Is that clear? Next H part. To make 253 divisible by 5, the smallest number that needs to be added to it is, means which smallest number we have to add in this number that it will be completely divisible by 5. So we can check here, divide it by 5. 5 by 253. Okay, 5 5s 25 divisible. Now left here 3. 5 by 3 not divisible. So if we add here plus 1, 3 plus 1 4, but 5 by 4 not divisible. So next what will be 1 after? 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 by 5 divisible. So here if we add here 2, smallest number what is coming here? 2. So 5 by 5 divisible. So here is that needs to be added to it is, then smallest number will be required number 2. Is that clear? So here answer what will be? 2 only. Okay, and here what was coming answer? 1 and 28 are, means he was asking factor So here will be first number 2 and here 4 and next one is 7. Okay, next question number I part is given here. As you can see, among 13, 23, 33 and 63 the prime numbers are. Asking here prime number, firstly we will know about the prime number. What are prime number? Prime number those are which are divisible by 1 or itself only. Here first let's see the example. Suppose any number it is given 5. 5 is divisible by 1 and itself only. It having 1 or itself number only. Similarly 7 also. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7 1 is 7 itself only. So these are called prime number. Similarly I part here is given 13. Here also asking prime number only. 13 is divisible by 1 or itself only, so it is a prime number. 23 also a prime number because it is not divisible any other number. It is divisible by 1 or itself only. 33 it is a composite number. Why? Because 33 is divisible by 3 also, 11 also. Okay, it having more than one factor. And 63 also divisible by 3 also, 7 also, 9 also. It also having more than one factor. So these are composite number and 13 and 23 will be prime number. So first answer will be here 13 and second will be 23. Is that clear? Now next part is I after J part. Here see J part. Among 34, 37, 39 and 47 the composite numbers are. This is just opposite of prime number. As I told you, in prime number having only one or itself number only factor, but in composite number more than one factor having. Suppose any number 6 is given, it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 2 also, 3 also, then after 6. It having one or itself number, other factors also coming, it having more than one factor, so it is a composite number. Okay, so here is 34, it is divisible by 2 also, 17 also. Okay, so it's having more than one factor, so first answer composite number will be 34. Then after 37, it is divisible by 1 or itself only, so it is a prime number. 39 is divisible by 3 also and 13 also, 1 or itself every number having, but it having more than one factor because it is divisible by 3 and 13, so 39 also is a composite number. Next is left 47, not divisible by any number, it is divisible by 1 or itself only, so it is a prime number. Is that clear? Next see the question number 10. As you can see here I have done solution also. Multiply is given. 32 multiply is by 15. So here we will do multiply in sequentially. Firstly we will multiply one's digit by right to left number. Okay, one by one digit. First multiply we will do one's digit by. So here 5 2s are 10 and carry 1 here. 5 3s are 15, 15 and 1 16 as it is. Okay, next is tens digit multiply start. So here it is tens place, but here it is ones place, so here put cross. Then next number multiply right to left. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, and now add this. Here is a 0 and cross, 0 only, 6 and 2 8, 3 plus 1 4. So answer what is coming? 480. This is your required answer. Similarly you can do B part also. Okay, so this is your as homework. After that we will see question number 11. See here see question number 11. Divide is given. 642 divided by 16. Okay, I have the solution also here. 16 by 642 we will divide it. 16 by 64, here 2 digits are, so here also we will take 2 digits. 16 by 64 how many times? 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 40 and 16 4 ja 64. So 64 completely divisible. Now left here carry 2 and 16 by 2 not divisible, and here also not left any digit, so take here one more 0. So required answer what will be? 2 is as remainder and 0 as quotient. Is that clear? Similarly next part also given here, B. Here we are doing this part, 32 divisible by 448. Okay, 32 by, here 2 digit, here also 2 digit we will take. 32 by 44, how many time? One time only will be divisible. So 32 ones are 32 only. Then do minus, 4 minus 2, 1 is left. 4 minus 2, 2 is left, and 4 minus 3, 1 is left. And 32 by 12 not divisible, so here from here we will take carry 8. Okay, it is 100 place. Now 32 by 128, how many time it will be divisible? You can do multiply also here. 32 1 ja 32, 32 2 ja, how much will be? 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6, it is coming 64. 32 3 ja similarly will be 32 3 ja will be here, you can check here, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9, it is also less. And 32 4 ja, if we do multiply, 32 4 ja 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12, it is coming 128. It means 32 by 128 completely divisible, so put here cross, otherwise we can take a 0 also, because 128 minus 128, 0 is left. Okay, so till for today this is enough from me and for you also, and after that from question number 12 we will start in next video. And for today I am giving you some homework also. As you can see a C part, this is also your homework, and other part also I will give you for homework. Here you can see your homework. So here notice your homework. Here is given question number 10. These are those part which are lefting. One part I solved there, and other these lefting part you will do at home. These are for your practice. Clear? And after that question number 11. Here is given divide A and B part. 38,808 divided by 126, and B part 63,025 divided by 450. These both question also for your homework and for practice also. So I request to all students, practice this exercise properly and do this homework also properly. So till for today this is only. Thank you students.